So Halima says, can I pray witr twice, like during Isha prayer, and then sleep, wake up, and again pray witr along with 8 nawafil as tahajjud? Halima's question is a frequently asked question. It was the Prophet ﷺ who said, La witrani fi layla. This is a prohibition. There are no 2 witrs to be offered in the same night, which answers your question, Halima, directly. So if a person prays witr before he goes to bed, so many people pray Isha and then they pray their shafa' and witr, and they will go to bed, and so they happen to wake up a couple of hours before Fajr time, and they pray tahajjud as many rak'ahs as they want. Now they fall into a dilemma, and they say to themselves, okay, if I concluded my 8 rak'ah of tahajjud, shouldn't I end it with witr? Because the Prophet said, alayhi salam, make the last of your night prayer witr. So he says, okay, then I should pray witr. But then he's confused because the Prophet said, alayhi salam, there are no 2 witr in the same night. So what to do? The prohibition overrules any other thing. So because the Prophet ﷺ prohibited it, you can only pray 1 witr. If you prayed it after Isha or before you go to bed, and you go and pray 8 rak'ahs of tahajjud or whatever, then you do not pray witr. Khalas, the one you prayed before you went to bed is sufficient. If you did not pray witr before you went to bed, and then you prayed as many rak'ahs as you wanted before Fajr, in this case, you have no problem in concluding your night prayer with 1 rak'ah or with 3 rak'ahs or with whatever. So I hope this answers your question, Halima.